Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Sealant Detectives YouTube channel. Today we've got another product review for you. So the product that we're reviewing is from InfinityWax, and it's the Ghost wheel sealant. So this is a wheel sealant. It's a CiO2 wheel sealant. So that means, yeah, we should get lots of beading. So we're going to test that out. We're going to clean the wheels first. I'm just going to sort of like time lapse that. Because I have done a video of that before. If you haven't seen that video on how to clean your wheels and clean your tyres, I'll pop something on the screen now. So yeah, after that video you can click that and then go and check that out, so you know how to clean your wheels to get them really clean. So this product, let's have a look. So it says Ghost has been designed with durability and ease of use in mind. So that's what we like with wheel sealants, especially when it's cold and in the winter, when you probably don't want to be outside. Yeah, you want it easy to use and you want it to last quite long. So the instructions on the back: apply a light mist of Ghost directly onto the face of the wheel when clean and dry. Use a damp microfiber cloth or a soft sponge to spread Ghost over every surface, paying attention to the hard to reach areas. Allow 10 minutes to fully cure, and then to remove, use a soft, dry microfiber towel to remove any excess to reveal a deep gloss finish. And then it says Ghost will repel brake dust and dirt up to 6 months and make washing much easier. So that's what we're looking for. So that, well, reading that, it should be a fairly simple application. Basically spray on, wipe around to make sure it's covered everywhere, leave about 10 minutes. So I think what I'll do is I'll do one wheel and then go round the rest of the car, like the other wheels, and then come back and take each one off. I think that's probably about 10 minutes. So yeah, and then we'll see how it performs. This video, what I'll do is I'll do the application bit here, and then we'll cut to a few weeks or a few months time, and then yeah, I'll show how it's sort of getting on, whether it's still on the wheels or not. So this car, I do quite a lot of mileage in it, probably about 250 to 300 miles a week. So yeah, it's going to get some hammer, but yeah, I guess that's what reviews are about. So let's clean the wheels now. I'll put it on time lapse like I said, and then we'll come back after I've dried the wheels, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we've come inside now. The wheels are all clean, and I've dried them off with the air blower. So we're going to apply the wheel sealant and then leave it 10 minutes and then buff it off, and then in a few weeks time we'll see how it's performing. So yeah, just running through the instructions again. Lightly mist the wheel sealant onto the wheel. Go round with a damp microfiber or a sponge, make sure it's in all the areas, and then leave it 10 minutes and come back and buff it off. So that's what we're going to do. And then now, let's work that into all the areas, and then we'll leave it. Okay, so it's easy as that. It doesn't take long to apply that, which is good. So let's go. Well, what I'll do while we're waiting for that, I'll go around the rest of the wheels, and then by the time I come back and I've done that to all the other wheels, yeah, it'll have been around about 10 minutes. So I'll see you in a few minutes. This has been on for 10 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buff that off with the microfiber, and then what I'll do is I'll end this part of the video here, and in a few weeks when I wash the car again, so I'll probably cover about 1,000 miles, yeah, we'll wash the car, and while we're washing the car we'll go back over the wheels and see whether the wheel sealant is still on there, or well, yeah, we'll just see how it's performing. So let's buff this off now, and see if it comes off easy, and yeah, then we'll cut to when we're washing the car. Okay, so it's as easy as that, buffed off. Yeah, so now I guess it's just a waiting game until the next time we wash the car and see how well it's performing. So I'll go around and take it off all the other wheels, and then I'll see you in a few weeks time, and then we'll see how it's performing, how it's holding up against all the dirt, because yeah, at the minute the UK weather, it's not the best. It's cold, the roads are very wet, so, and there's salt on the roads, so it is going to be quite tough on this wheel sealant, but I guess that's the best way to test it. See you in a few weeks. Okay, so we're back after about 4 weeks. We've done just over 1,000 miles, so yeah, there's a lot of dirt on these wheels. You can see they're not really silver anymore. They're sort of like a grey blacky colour, which is good. That's what we wanted to test this wheel sealant out to the max. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jet wash the wheels. I'm not going to put any wheel cleaner on, just pure pressure, and yes, see if the dirt comes off and if the wheels are still beaded. Okay, so the wheels have cleaned up a tiny bit. There's still a lot of muck on there, but I've only pressure washed them off. So the beads, the water behaviour on the wheels are, well, it's sort of, there's nothing there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash the wheels. I just apply a wheel cleaner, clean them up, and then see if there's any signs of the protection still there. Fingers crossed there is. Maybe the protection's under the dirt, which, yeah, would make sense. Yeah, let's clean the wheels properly, and then yeah, we'll come back and we'll see if the protection's still on the wheel.
Okay, so that's the wheel fully clean now. Yeah, there's little to none water behaviour on there at all. So I'd say the protection's pretty much gone. So, well, what I'll do is I'll finish off cleaning the car, and then I'll come back and yeah, I'll tell you where to get the product from and sort of my overall views on it. I'm not that impressed, to be honest, but yeah, let's wash the car and then we'll come back. Okay, so that's the car all cleaned and freshened up. Yeah, so back to this review. So this wheel sealant, so the Ghost wheel sealant from InfinityWax. So my thoughts on it: it's so fast and easy to apply. Like, I think it took sort of like 20 minutes to do the full set of wheels, which is really good. And I did have high hopes for it. So after applying it, it's been on the car round about, well, just over a month. The car's covered just over 1,000 miles in that month, not being washed, not being touched. Yeah, had the hammer of all the dirt and everything from motorway driving, back road driving, everything. So yeah, I was looking just after cleaning the wheels for some signs of this sealant. Unfortunately, there's no signs of the sealant at all left on the wheels. So what I'll do is I'll get in touch with InfinityWax and see if it was something that I did wrong, because well, I did just follow the instructions. So you just spray onto the wheels, and then yeah, you just spray onto the wheels, leave it around about 10 minutes, and then yeah, wipe it off. So so I did leave it a full 10 minutes when applying it. So it's not that. I don't know whether it's the finish on these wheels or not. But yeah, that's a bit of a shame. The wheels, after I applied it, yeah, they did look really clean, and they seem to stay cleaner for longer. So like a good few weeks, maybe 2 weeks, they were pretty much, well, they look clean. They weren't, but yeah, they did look clean. That's one of the reasons why I did have high expectations of this. So yeah, that's a bit of a downer. But yeah, like I say, I'll get in touch with the guys at InfinityWax. If it's something that I did wrong, yeah, I'll reevaluate this product. But if you do want to try it for yourselves, go to InfinityWax's website. I'll leave the links below. This wheel sealant is $9.99. So for $9.99, if it worked, it'd be a decent price. But yeah, this time it hasn't worked. Not all products go as well as other ones. But yeah, I'll find out what went wrong. And then yeah, I'll update you guys. But that was the review on the Ghost wheel sealant from InfinityWax. Cheers for watching, and we'll see you next Sunday.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!